So today I'll be going to Tainan to find my high school classmate that I haven't seen in a year. I am going up north, a county, to find her. It usually takes around 30 minutes to an hour to get to the next county. So it's super close, but far enough that we can't meet each other as much as possible. The one thing I miss about Taiwan the most is its public transportation, because it is so easy and so convenient to navigate that I can just travel around to visit my friends even if they're in another county. Hello. Reintroduce yourself. This is Kayla. This is my friend. I told them I was coming to meet a high school class.
Oh, that's me.
So we ordered a Stinky tofu.
We have 2 blocks.
Not bad. I'm used to the fried sticky tofu. This is the very marinated sticky one. Not that sticky though.
How's the flavor?
这好辣。
会辣吗? That's good. And 2 blocks.
It's also raining outside, so we're waiting for the rain to stop.
Yeah. We're stuck.
We are stuck. We're 3 minutes away, but we're stuck. Okay, if we want to go, we should go now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Great. Awesome. 它怎么越下越大？不知道。啊！ This is my matcha latte. It looks slightly light. I don't know if it would be good or not. It's so good.
Is it good?
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
It's a little bit grainy, but it's much more matcha than it looks. I think.
Nice. Look at that pretty.
Yeah. It's better than it looks, I feel like. Like the color, by the color. Look at the flowers. So cute.
Yeah.
This is Kayla's. 这是什么？
玫瑰奶酥。
哦。是啊。挺美的那个。很美。It's very simple and like light. Okay, I chose this one. I think it's for like beauty. Oh, it's for women. And then this is Guilin Gao.
What's going on in English?
I have no idea. I don't think I've ever tried it. What is this? And this is 仙草茶.
仙草茶很香哎。 How much sound this? Really good.